Every day in the Puyallup School District, more than 23,000 students learn, grow, and connect through essential programs and services supported by local levy funding. While most school funding comes from the state, it does not cover the full cost of day-to-day operations. In our district, local levy funding represents approximately 16% of our annual budget. On Tuesday, February 10, 2026, voters will have the opportunity to approve replacing an expiring Educational Programs and Operations Levy, also known as the EP&O. The replacement EP&O levy helps maintain classroom teachers and paraeducators, school counselors, nurses, and support staff, student transportation needs, music, arts, athletics, and activities, security, custodians, and maintenance, technology support, and advanced courses and materials while renewing essential programs and services. The EP&O levy is not a new tax. It replaces the current levy previously approved by voters in 2022, helping bridge the gap between what the state funds and what is needed to educate our students effectively. If this replacement levy is approved, the EP&O levy would fund $2.50 per $1,000 of assessed value. In this funding model, total local school tax rates are projected to decrease in 2027.
Hi, my name is Richard Lasso, Interim Superintendent of the Puyallup School District. With the February 10th election fast approaching, I just want to thank everyone for being voter ready, which means register to vote, and also watch for your ballot, which comes about 2 weeks before Election Day. Thank you for staying informed. For more information, please visit the district website.
Learn more at puyallupsd.org/levy2026.